everybody, it's me, Christina. I'm back and I wasn't expecting to make this video. So you probably wouldn't know this unless you follow me on my Instagram, which why don't you? It's right here. Please follow it. So my boyfriend and I, we went to a reptile expo and we bought some Chinese cave geckos. We've been looking for them for a while. And so I will post a picture up here of the two that we got. So we have named them Lynx and Echo. So in doing so, just out of the blue, we weren't really prepared. I mean, we had their terrarium, right? It was all ready to go. We just needed their bedding. Okay, sure, yeah. We didn't get a humidifier or anything for them. Minor details. Also, that scratching over there, that's Colby. If you don't know who Colby is, check out this video, please. You'll learn who he is. He's right there. He drives me crazy, but I love him so much. So, we're gonna unbox this beast. I just got it off of Amazon. It was supposed to be here 2 days from now, so I wasn't planning on making this, but I'm here, I have it, I'm home. Let's open it, shall we? So, I've got my handy dandy Cricut pen that my boyfriend got me for my birthday. So, put this in here because I don't know where my actual knife is. So we're just going to use this. And we're going to cut into this. Now I'm not going to put this up on their tank or anything, but I'm just gonna open it just to see what she looks like. I wasn't sure on Amazon because, I mean, can you really be sure if you're buying things off Amazon? But this one had pretty good reviews, so we will do that and use this one. Solid instructions to start. Don't bend it. Keep it straight. Solid. And Onyx enters the chat. Hello, Onyx. Okay. Also, I don't know if you noticed, but my lighting, she's a little bit better. I also got a ring light for my birthday. So that's exciting. This is that tube that we're not supposed to be bending. Goodness, how do we get this out of here? Colby, you come to help? This is Colby, by the way. He's very excited. Take that off. Oh, instructions, I think. Ultrasonic cool mist frogger. It's a humidifier. Colby, what are you doing? He's over here playing with all of this stuff. What else is in here? The instructions. That's what's in this. How to operate. Cool story. We'll let him figure that out. I'll figure it out later too, I guess, but wow. There's the beast. It's not very big, but I mean, it only holds, I don't know how much it holds. Let me see. It only holds 3 liters. Now, I'm Canadian, so I don't know what that is in gallons, but if it's some crazy number, I'll put it up here. But 3 liters is basically equivalent to 6 water bottles, if that helps. Look, Colby, a new box for you. Here you go. Yeah, so it's basically like 6 water bottles. Colby's down here trying to fit in this box that he's too big for, by the way. So, Colby, you are too big for that. I'm aware this video is like totally different from the other stuff that I post on my channel here, considering the other stuff is Sim stuff. And I was originally planning on building a house for the 100 baby challenge, or doing a scenario. But you know what? We'll get there. We will get there. I've got time. Not much, but maybe I'll still build a house after this video. This is what she looks like. I know it's hard to see with the ring light, but she's not very exciting. Colby, that is a piece of plastic. Sir, that is a piece of plastic. Interesting. I have no idea what I'm getting into, by the way. I just figure I'd open it, get a video out of it. It's a short video, but I mean, a video nonetheless, right? A chance to say hello, hi, I'm still here, you know? But actually, I was just outside and working on a piece of furniture that I am redoing. And I came back in to warm up, and I saw this sitting outside my door. So, if I can make content, let's make content. Right? Right. Well, with that being said, if I remember, I will record us putting this thing here together and attaching it to the terrarium, and then I'll tack it onto the video after this. But if I don't, well, I'm sorry, but you'll get a picture. But hey, at least you met the newest family members, which again, if you haven't seen my first video where we meet all of the pets that I've ever had, all the pets that I currently have, it'll be linked up in the corner. And I hope you have a great day. Have a good one. Bye. So that's how I started it. Can I do this and will it stop? No. I keep looking over there. Camera's over here. No. Whoo! Stop. The instructions. If I remember, I will add a piece. Add a piece? Wanna add a blooper reel, blooper reel, blooper reel. Putting this away. There's a handle here. Look at that. A handle. Convenient. Who has a cricket? Because I don't know anybody that has a cricket. I got it for Christmas. I love it. But because I'm so creative, I have no idea what to make with it. So, it's now a wand. What even are bloopers? Onyx, what the hell are these bloopers? Oh. Sorry. My bad. Anyway, bye!